Hello, welcome back. If you're navigating the real estate market, you've probably wondered about the value of working with a professional. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 benefits of a real estate agent. At number 1, we have market expertise. This is more than just knowing the ins and outs of buying and selling properties. It's about understanding the pulse of the real estate market. Our seasoned professionals are well-versed in local trends, pricing dynamics, and neighborhood specifics. They keep a close eye on shifts in the market and can spot opportunities that others might miss. Whether it's identifying a promising neighborhood on the rise or a property that's priced to sell, these experts have the knowledge to guide you. They're like your personal real estate encyclopedia, full of insights and information to help you make the best decision. And what's more, they tailor this expertise to your unique needs. First-time buyer or seasoned investor, they know how to navigate the market to meet your goals. This ensures you make informed decisions in a competitive market. Coming in at number 2 is negotiation skills. The real estate world is a dance of negotiation, a ballet of give and take. It's not just about haggling over the price. It's about understanding the value of a property, knowing how to present your case, and navigating the emotional landscape of both the buyer and seller. It's about striking a balance between pushing for the best deal and not pushing so hard that the deal falls apart. This is where a real estate agent shines. They're not just negotiators, they're skilled diplomats navigating the intricate dance with finesse and expertise. They know when to push, when to hold back, and when to compromise. They understand the market, they understand the people, and they understand how to bring it all together in a deal that benefits you. They secure the best deal whether you're buying or selling a property. At number 3, we have access to exclusive listings. You see, real estate agents are like gatekeepers to a secret garden. They often have access to properties that aren't yet available to the general public. These exclusive listings are a gold mine for anyone looking to buy or sell a property. Imagine having first dibs on a beautiful prime location home before anyone else even knows it's for sale. Or, if you're selling, consider the advantage of reaching a select group of serious buyers before your property hits the market. It's like being in a private club where the best opportunities are presented to you on a silver platter. This is the power of partnering with a real estate agent. They can provide you with access to these exclusive listings, giving you a significant advantage in the fiercely competitive real estate market. This exclusive insight gives you a head start in finding your dream home or reaching potential buyers. At number 4, we have paperwork and legal guidance. Real estate transactions are notorious for their extensive paperwork. From purchase agreements to title documents, disclosures to inspection reports, the list is long and often complex. This is where a real estate agent shines. They know the ins and outs of these documents like the back of their hand. They ensure every I is dotted and every T is crossed, avoiding potential pitfalls down the line. But it's not just about paperwork. Real estate transactions also come with their share of legal complexities. Zoning laws, permits, property lines, and more can quickly turn a simple transaction into a legal labyrinth. Fortunately, your agent is there to guide you through. They help you navigate these complexities, ensuring you abide by all laws and regulations. In essence, they take the stress out of the process. Your agent ensures all documents are in order, making the process easier for you. At number 5, we have local connections. A significant advantage of working with a real estate agent is their vast and varied network. They're not lone wolves, but rather they're part of an extensive ecosystem. From home inspectors scrutinizing every nook and cranny of a potential home to mortgage brokers who can help secure the best financing, real estate agents have a Rolodex of professionals at their disposal. They can even connect you with reliable contractors, landscapers, and interior designers to help turn your new house into a home. Moreover, these aren't just any professionals. They're trusted individuals that the agent has worked with over the years. This network is particularly beneficial when you need a service quickly or when you're new to an area and unsure who to turn to. Through their local connections, real estate agents simplify the process and offer access to a network of trusted services. This network ensures a smooth process and access to trusted services. Coming in at number 6 is time saving. In this fast-paced world where every minute counts, real estate agents are your time saviors. Imagine juggling your daily work, family commitments, and then the time-consuming tasks of property dealings. It can be quite a handful, right? But when you have a real estate agent by your side, they take on these demanding tasks. From researching properties, scheduling and conducting viewings, liaising with sellers or buyers, to handling the intricate paperwork, real estate agents do it all. They streamline the process, cutting through the noise to find options that best suit your needs. This professional assistance ensures that your real estate journey isn't a drain on your precious time. So, while your agent is busy ensuring a smooth property transaction, you can continue focusing on your work, family, and other important aspects of your life. This frees you to focus on your work, family, and other important aspects of your life. At number 7, we have price guidance. Now this is where the true artistry of a real estate agent comes into play. You see, setting the right price for a property isn't just about slapping on a value, it's a delicate balance of understanding the market, assessing the property's worth, and taking into account your financial objectives. Real estate agents have their fingers on the pulse of the market. They're always aware of the pricing trends and understand how different factors can influence the value of a property. They use this knowledge to provide you with a realistic yet competitive price range for your property. But it doesn't stop there. Your agent will also help you understand how minor adjustments or improvements to your property can enhance its value. They'll guide you in making smart decisions that maximize your investment. This helps you set a price that both attracts potential buyers and meets your financial goals. At number 8, we have handling complex situations. The world of real estate is not always as straightforward as we'd like it to be. Transactions can face unexpected challenges, from bidding wars to regulatory roadblocks and even last-minute changes in financing. These are the times when the value of a real estate agent truly shines. They've seen it all and they've done it all. With their extensive experience, they are equipped to handle these complexities. They can steer you through the tumultuous waters of property transactions, dodging the pitfalls and smoothing out the bumps along the way. They are the problem solvers, the crisis managers, the cool heads when things heat up. And they do this all with one goal in mind: to ensure your real estate transaction is a success. This ensures a smooth and successful process. At number 9, we have home staging and presentation. The power of a first impression can't be underestimated, especially when it comes to real estate. A properly staged home can make all the difference, often leading to quicker sales and better offers. But how do you create that perfect, inviting atmosphere that buyers can't resist? Enter the real estate agent. Their keen eye for detail and understanding of what buyers are looking for can transform your home into a buyer's dream. From rearranging furniture to highlighting the unique features of your home, they know exactly how to showcase your property in the best light possible. They also understand the importance of online presentation in today's digital world, ensuring your home looks equally appealing in photos and virtual tours. This enhances your property's appeal and maximizes its market value. So, when you're ready to sell, don't overlook the powerful tool of home staging and presentation with the help of a real estate agent. Last, but certainly not least, at number 10, we have peace of mind. This is perhaps the most significant benefit of partnering with a real estate agent. When you're embarking on a real estate journey, whether it's buying your first home, selling a cherished property, or investing in a promising piece of land, there can be a lot of unknowns. The process can seem daunting, filled with complexities that can be challenging to navigate on your own. When you have a seasoned real estate agent by your side, they bring their wealth of knowledge, skills, and experience to the table. This expertise is invaluable. They are there to guide you, support you, and help you make the best decisions every step of the way. So what does this all translate to? It provides you with that priceless peace of mind. You can rest easy knowing you're in capable hands. This makes your real estate journey a positive and stress-free experience. I'll catch you in the next video.